Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to those of you who are new. My name is Alicia. So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing like a get ready with me chit chat, but we are going to be trying some new product. So the first thing that I'm excited to try today is the Lancome Tinted All Concealer. This is what it looks like. And then we're going to have the Glowish Bronzer by Huda Beauty. So if you want to get ready with me and see how these products work out for me, then of course, keep on watching. So since I'm going to be using the Lancome concealer, I decided to use the Lancome foundation. This is what it looks like. Beautiful bottle. Has this has the rose at the top, and it's a glass bottle. So yeah, this foundation is actually it's so amazing. I love it. It's like a velvety matte finish. Unfortunately, I don't have a color match, so this one is 450 Suede N. Y'all know I'm not a neutral girl. I have warm golden undertones, so I need to have that in my foundation. So I mixed with my Too Faced foundation that I always wear. And this right here is the new concealer. This is what we're going to be testing out today, and this is their new concealer. And as you can see, the bottle is pretty much kind of the same. It's a glass bottle. And in the concealer, I got the shade 435. So this is a multitasking concealer. It is medium to full coverage. And let's see some of the claims. So it has a skin caring formula. So it's infused with moringa extract, which won't dry out the skin and won't cake or crease. It feels breathable. So it says up to 24-hour wear, medium to full breathable coverage. Now we can go in and try her out. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I thought it was a pump for some reason, but okay, so this is the applicator. It's like this. It smells a little paintish. But yeah, I'm gonna swatch some on the back of my hand, even though my hand's kind of dry right now. So this is it on the back of my hand. It looks good in terms of the shade. Again, it's a medium to full coverage concealer, so let's see what it's working with. I'm having fun trying out these concealers. Ooh. Okay, I like the applicator. I don't know if I showed it to you guys proper. It's flat there, so it helps to spread the product nice and evenly. It's not rounded all the way. I like the way it feels. It feels like I'm painting. Ha! It does feel kind of watery though, like very liquidy. So that's weird. I don't want to use too much. I'm always using too much. Yeah, it kind of has a slight paint kind of scent. So this is medium to full coverage, but honestly, it feels so light, like it feels so watery that I'm kind of nervous. But we're not going to jump to conclusions. We are going to give it the benefit of the doubt. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes and then we can blend it out. So we can go ahead and blend it out slowly. And yeah, 435 is kind of just matching me a little bit too much. Like there's no highlighted look, and I like a highlighted look. I'm using this sponge from Miss A. So this is the nude one, and I like it, but I don't love it. So I know I told you guys I was going to update you. So like it definitely does the job, but the texture is not my favorite. Like I've had softer sponges. The pink one feels a lot softer, but I haven't used it yet because I'm going to be doing a video and, you know, doing like a first impression video. So I'm going to use that one in that video. Yeah. I mean, this is blending out easily, nicely. I just don't like the color. I don't want to say I don't like the color. I like the color, but the color is not. I should have got a brighter color. I didn't realize that it was going to be matching me. It blended out really easily, as you can see. It's hard for me to tell because the shade, I feel like the shade just kind of matches me a little bit too much. So yeah, I really do like the highlighted look, and this is just matching me too much. I'm going to add some more because I like fuller coverage, and also because that way we can tell how well it layers. But yeah, this shade literally, probably I could use this in the winter as my actual shade, which is weird because I can't use a foundation. So I don't know. This is NARS Creamy Radiant, and this one is in Ginger. Yeah, that's how I like my highlight. I would definitely have to get a better shade if in this concealer, because I usually don't use my exact shade. I use like 2 shades brighter so that I can have a highlighted look. It's thin, but it does give the coverage. So at first it feels so light that you think it's just going to be like a light coverage concealer. So because it actually just matches my skin color, I'm gonna highlight with my LYS banana powder. This is a pressed banana powder. I really like how it looks. So let's see. And so I'll still get like that yellow brightness that I like, hopefully. So yeah, that should brighten up my face a little bit. Once I spray it and it sets, it'll look a lot better. But now it's time to go on to the bronzer. And this bronzer, like I said, this is the Huda Glowish bronzer. Described as soft radiance bronzing powder. And it looks like this. And I picked it up because I was just looking for something different. Like, I would like to have a nice glowy bronzed face sometimes. And so I went to try the NARS one because that's the only one that I know that has like glow, you know, glowy bronzer. But it was like not showing up on my skin. And I mean, like, the deepest shade was barely showing up on my skin. So the girl at Sephora recommended this one. She actually said this is the only other glowy bronzer. So if you know any other glowish bronzers, let me know. The color that I got is Deep Tan. So Deep Tanner number 4. So we're gonna try it. It looks packaging, I'm not sure about this. It's plastic. I don't know about this, but let's hope that this product works and that this is not a hot mess what I'm about to do. So I'm just kind of swirling it around in the package. I swatched it on my hand in the store, so it looked like it could have did a thing. That looks nice, I think. Not sure I'm seeing any glow yet, but let's see. I don't know. I'm not seeing like a whole lot of glow or anything. And I guess I'm not supposed to see a whole lot of glow, but I do want to see something. I'm not sure I see it yet. Like, the color is nice. And this is, you know, what I like, a warm bronzer. We'll let it sit and do what it's supposed to do, and then I'm just gonna complete my face with you guys. Today's blush is LYS Inspire. I hope you guys are not getting tired of this, but I will be getting some more soon, some other colors. But I just love this one, so. And for my highlighter, this, I think it's discontinued and I'm so sad, but I love this. So this is the ABH Illuminator in Peach Nectar. I just love it, guys. Like, do you see that? These illuminators by ABH, like, they're unmatched. Honestly, I don't feel like another company can do it like this. Like, okay, so for today's lip, I think I'm gonna try this Sephora lip stain. This one was number 2, I believe. Yeah, so the Sephora lip stain number 2, and then my cork pencil. I might change the pencil. I'll let you guys know. And these lip stains smell like cupcakes, like vanilla cupcakes. So good. And this is Colored Rain Sugar. You guys know this is my favorite. So I'm going to set my face with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. This is the Airbrush Flawless. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. Why am I struggling to say that? I don't know. But anyways, Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. So this powder does actually make you look super airbrushed. So I love using this one. I set my face now with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and then I'll just put some mascara and maybe some gloss. So yeah, I feel like for both of these products, I have to use them a little bit more, and then I can give like a full honest review on them. They're not bad at all. I'm just saying compared to like my other favorites, whether I would actually hold on to these. But definitely the bronzer did what it's supposed to do. It's a nice warm tone. As far as the glow, not so sure about that, so that's why I'm going to continue to use it and see. Maybe I have to use it a different way. I'm going to watch some videos because I didn't do that. I literally just went to the store and they showed it to me, but I didn't know anything about it. And then as far as the concealer, it definitely has the coverage I needed to have. It's just that I picked the wrong shade. So I'm going to, you know, just kind of still play around with this and see if they even have a shade for me, because that's the problem with Lancome normally, was that their shade range was kind of crazy. If they do have a shade for me, I'll be super excited. And I'll let you guys know. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Even in the description box of this video, I'll write like updates, just so you know. I'm not going to count any of these products out yet. It was still fun to try them. I appreciate you guys for sticking around with me, being here with me. Yeah, so as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, please. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.